This video explains how to use the multifunctional Endpiece on the Leica DISTO D2 to take accurate measurements in various situations. By default, the device measures distance from its bottom to the laser dot, as indicated by the symbol on the display. Flip the Endpiece to the 90-degree position to place the unit around a corner for precise measurements. Fully extend the Endpiece as shown by the arrows to start measurements from the tip of the Endpiece. The device automatically detects orientation and adjusts the 0 point, making it perfect for measuring narrow profiles, notches, corners, and window structures. The new reference point appears on the display. To measure diagonals, activate tracking mode by holding the On Dist button for 2 seconds until the device beeps. Place the Endpiece in the corner, move the unit slowly across the corner, press on Dist again to stop the measurement. The largest value displayed is your diagonal measurement. For even more precise measurements, use the Disto Plan app, which includes a dedicated diagonals feature for floor plan creation. To change the measuring reference, press the reference key once to measure from the front surface of the device, ideal for short distances. Hold it for 2 seconds to set front, referencing permanently. The intelligent Endpiece is featured on the DISTO D2, D2G, D5, X3, and X6.